Hi everyone and welcome to Creating with Ali. Today I'm going to make a Christmas decoration out of paper, and I'm using the paper from my navy white Christmas book that is on Amazon, and it's just all lots of different blue coloured Christmassy themed type papers. So I can put the link for I can put a link in the description for this if you want to go and take a look. So with these papers, I need to have a whole lot of squares cut. So I'm going to use my biscuits, and I think I'm going to make the squares 2 by 2 inch. So I'm just going to make as many as I can. I think I need about 4, maybe 12, I think, all up. So we'll see how many we get out of this one sheet. These are 8, what are they, 8.5 by 8.5 pages that come in that book. And I'm going to try and save a little bit of time here by doing 4 at a time. Wish me luck. So that's 4. 8. 12. 16. That should be plenty, hopefully. So I'll keep that page for a second one and maybe use the opposite side. The opposite side's quite nice too. So with these pieces, to make the actual decoration, you also need a circle. So I'm going to punch one using my circle punch. So that is what we need to get started with our decoration piece. So we're going to roll them as in the diamond shape. So you're just going to roll this side over to this side like so. Okay, just like that. And you're going to glue that down. So that's all we have to do to all these pieces that are here in front. I think I'm going to use this. I really love this Uhu glue. I've been using lots of different brands of glue, but this one's been pretty much my favorite lately. I find that it sticks really well. I'm not sponsored at all, just, you know, when you find something that you think, oh, I really, really like this now. All right, so I'm just going to roll that over and, oops, just hold it there for a moment and make sure that that keeps its funnel shape, and it is done. So I am having to hold this one for a bit. There we go. No. All right, maybe this isn't the right glue. Okay, and that is the first one done. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that same thing with all the other pieces that I have here until I have them all finished. Okay, and that is the first one done. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that same thing with all the other pieces that I have here until I have them all finished. So I have our pieces ready, and I did use these sort of like they hold fabric when you're doing sewing, little clips, and I found that they kind of clip them shut while the glue was drying. So nice handy thing to have. Got those off Temu. Got a whole bag of them actually, and I don't think they were very expensive, so they come in handy this evening for doing this. Now I'm just going to fold this over in half because I don't need the whole thing open. And the only reason why I'm doing that is because I'm about to use the glue gun, and I just didn't want to get glue everywhere. So we're going to place these now around the outside of the circle. So I'm going to start by putting these 4 east, west, north, south, I guess. And then I'll fill out the other sections. So I have seen this done on other channels before. I don't know who was the original creator of all of these. so I don't know who to credit for this. But I do think it's a really, really cool design to do for a very basic Christmas decoration. So I'm just going to put some hot glue down on that and then place these. So we're just going that way first. A little bit of wiggle room, not much. So there's the first lot, and then we'll put in the two. I reckon you could fit two, possibly even three, so I may need to make a couple more. I reckon it's going to be three in between each. So I might do this very first one, and then I may need to go and create a few more. I might end up using that other piece of paper so that I can fill in these sections. So I'm just going to put a whack of glue in there like that. And let's see how many we can squeeze in there. So that's 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 in each. And I have got 3 for that bit, but I don't have enough. So it looks like I'm going to go back and make some more before I can finish this whole design. But all right, looks great so far. So let me go back and create a few more of these so that we can finish this off. Now to finish it off at the back, I've just hot glued some ribbon down, but I am going to make another disc from the cardboard, which I am going to hot glue down over the ribbon just to neaten off the back of the decoration, like so. Flip it over. And for the middle, I have this mold that I bought from Temu, and you could use any mold. I've got a whole heap of different ones, but it makes this beautiful poinsettia, and I've been wondering what I'm going to do with it. And I demonstrated, you know, how you use this resin-crete, because that's what's been put in here, the resin-crete. And I think I found the perfect spot for it, which is right in the middle of this particular decoration. So let's load this one up with a fair bit of glue and press that down into the paper, and that will make a beautiful middle to this particular decoration. I'm loving that. I think that looks amazing. And just by having just basic paper as part of the outside and then adding such a beautiful embellishment in the middle and a lovely piece of ribbon, you end up with something that looks really quite amazing. Now, if you didn't have the poinsettia, just as an aside here, I went through some of my molds that I have got, that I have purchased from Temu, and had a look. So you could put a Christmas tree, maybe even this beautiful deer could have gone in the middle. Some antlers, that probably wouldn't match. Here are some different types of flowers that might go in the middle. So there's lots of different molds that you could use, and you could use either polymer clay or the resin-crete, which I've demonstrated on this channel, to create the piece for the middle. So there you have it. There is a beautiful paper decoration, very, very easy to make, which would be perfect for the tree. So there you have it. A beautiful Christmas decoration ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like what's happening on the channel, if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.